Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on recording your calls on Skype. I'll show you how to do it both on the desktop version of Skype and on the mobile app. This works with both audio calls and video calls. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On desktop, when you are currently in a call, click the three dots button from the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and then select Start Recording. Recording of the call will start immediately. It will let every other user in the call know that you have started recording. The recording will finish when you stop the call, or you can manually stop it by clicking Stop Recording. When the recording has finished, the video file will be available for everyone to watch and download inside the chat. To start recording your Skype call via the mobile app, this is what you do. During the call, tap the three dots button at the bottom right. Now select Start Recording from the options. When the recording is finished or you end the call, the video containing the call will be saved in the chat. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Skype tips and tricks.